Hi guys, welcome back. Hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to show you how I create background graphics for my explainers. I usually use three very basic types of graphics: simple shapes, crosses, and lines. I start with the line. Today I'm creating a wave, but sometimes a straight dashed line will do just fine. As you see, I use a rectangular grid tool to help me draw the wave, which starts to look like a wave only after I round the corners. Basic shapes are the next type of graphics I use, rectangles or ellipses. And the third type is a compound shape, for instance a cross. This particular cross consists of two rectangles with rounded corners united into one element. Sometimes I go with just one shape, ellipse for instance, but in some cases I prefer to have various elements floating on the background. Choose what you like best. Then let's type some text and make the final adjustments. Nothing new or complicated is going on with the lines. I animated one line with a trim pass and then pasted the same keyframes into other layers containing the lines. For the rest of the elements, I animate the scale and rotation. This is how I reveal them, and then I add a wiggle expression to the position parameter. Sometimes I need to take time and search for the right values, but when I find the numbers that work, again I just copy and paste this expression to other layers. And as a final touch, I animate the text layer with its background. They just move down, and I applied a set matte effect to my text layer so that it takes matte from the background rectangle. At first you don't see the effect you get, but when layers are slightly displaced, you see that the text appears within the borders of the rectangle. This is it for today, guys. I hope this video inspired you to experiment with background graphics. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. I'll see you next time. Cheers!